Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use Zoom app in your mobile.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
To begin, open the Zoom application. Enter your email address and password, and then sign in. From here, you can start a new meeting. You can host a new meeting. Your personal meeting ID is your unique code to start an individual meeting. From here, you can join any meeting. This allows you to enter into other meeting, hosted by someone else, using meeting ID and password. You can change some additional options if you like. Tap on this button to schedule meetings. You can schedule a meeting, entering key details about the meeting, such as topic, time, duration, meeting ID, password and mode, how you want to share the scheduled meeting. You can also enable or disable meeting password. You can also change any meetings options if you like. You can share your screen from here. As the name suggests, it enables screen sharing feature using the sharing key or meeting ID, which is efficient while showing some presentations, etc. You can add contacts from here. You can also find people from here. You can add contacts by email address, or from phone contacts. Now go to Settings. If you want to update your profile, tap here. You can update your profile photo, display name, update password, add location, and many more settings from here. Tap on Meeting. From here, you can change various settings related to meetings. Tap on Chat. From here, you can change various settings related to chats. Tap on About. From here, you can see and share about the Zoom app. That's all you need to know to use the Zoom app. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.